You don't have to duplicate your Gemini Gems or your Google Opal apps in order to create different versions of your apps. If you want to create different use cases for your apps, by all means do so. But the key to managing version history is Google Opal, which is just the advanced editor platform for Gemini Gems. So if you don't know, now you know. We'll start with Gemini Gems, but to get to Google Opal to manage your version history, open up your gem, and at the top, you'll see this link for Advanced Editor, which will open up a new tab. You'll click on the three dots in the top right corner, and you'll see a drop down for version history. Instead of switching back and forth between different tabs, duplicates of your apps, you can just view the version history and compare what you did before. For example, right now I have these user inputs, but previously the first iteration of this app just used the Gemini generation nodes. I can choose to restore this version with this button at the top, but beware, if you choose to do that, it'll erase all the versions after the version that you restore. So if you're considering restoring a previous version, make sure that's absolutely what you want to do, because as far as I can tell, there's no going back from this. But this is where duplicating your mini app or your workflow could come in handy. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.